The crypto markets are in turmoil and can be seen losing $600 billion in a week. Bitcoin's value fell by more than half its value since the peak it had witnessed back in November 2021, causing the entire cryptocurrency market to collapse. And while the Terra network's currencies Luna and UST were enjoying their honeymoon a month ago, they both succumbed and faced such a steep decline that it has spooked investors and left everyone on their toes. You keep hearing negative news and rumors are going all over the world around the crypto market. So what has been going on? And where might we be heading? In this video, we will go over all the most important latest crypto news, the good and the bad, and see what this might mean to everyone involved. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Stablecoins aren't always stable. Terra USD, the third stablecoin, has dropped below the $1 level multiple times over the last few days. This is problematic for the crypto market as stablecoins are intended to bring stability and should hold as close to $1 as possible. It has forced Terraform Labs to dip into the 3.5 billion reserves of Bitcoin to support the stablecoin. Terraform Labs emptied its treasury wallet of all its Bitcoin, which is equivalent to $1.5 billion, to lend out the trading firms in an effort to help hold USD's price peg. Terraform Labs founder Do Kwon said in a tweet thread that the only path forward will be to absorb the stablecoin supply that wants to exit before USD can start to repeg. There is no way around it. Stablecoins are supposed to maintain their value. They are backed by fiat currencies like the USD dollar, gold, and even other cryptocurrencies. The collapse of Bitcoin badly affected Terra and Terra USD, and honestly, the functioning of Terra is to blame for this. Terra USD aims to maintain its peg to the US dollar by using algorithms. If one wants to mint USD, he needs to burn the dollar equivalent amount of Luna. It works the same way the other way around. That's how the protocol maintains the price of USD. In March 2022, to add more cushions to a stablecoin, Terra's creator, the Luna Foundation Guard, decided to add Bitcoin to its reserve. The idea was if something goes wrong with the prices, Bitcoin backing would help to stabilize USD. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, and the stock market collapsed, Bitcoin collapsed, and then the whole crypto market collapsed. Terra is currently trading at $0.00183 per token, a complete 100% decline from an all-time high of $119.18 in April 2022. Terra USD, which has lost its dollar peg, is currently trading at $0.09108, 91.33% below the all-time high of $1.05. Click the I button on the top of the right screen to know everything about the recent Terra Luna crash. This ongoing bloodbath has spread over to the other stablecoins, such as Tether, the large stablecoin which has lost its peg to the US dollar. On May 12th, USD's price hit an all-time low of $0.6841 at one point. That means the holders of USDT have tokens worth less than $1. However, the token is currently back on its track, trading at $1. Now, another algorithmic stablecoin is in the spotlight. This is DEI, Deus Finance Stablecoin. DEI operates within Deus, a decentralized finance project based on the Phantom ecosystem. DEI has just lost to its 1-to-1 peg to the dollar. DEI is currently trading at $0.60, down by 39.65%. The coin hit a high of $1.18 on January 31st and had a market value of $114.8 million on April 30. But since then, the market cap has melted by 55% to $51.3 million. The project uses Deus and DEI coins. To create or mint one DEI, you must have $1 of collateral. When they want to redeem their tokens, investors get 80% of their value in USDC and 20% in Deus, and if USDC was used as collateral to create DEI. This collateral ratio fell to 43%, but low collateral makes redemption of DEI coins difficult since not enough capital is backing the stablecoin. Deus Finance has now tried to stabilize the coin by suspending all redemptions. The fall of the big ones. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, and a good indicator of the crypto market in general since other coins like Ethereum and other smaller altcoins usually follow its trends. And this week has been a rocky one for Bitcoin as well as other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's high point of the year so far remains in the earliest days of January, when it nearly hit $48,000. In that same month, Bitcoin also dipped below $34,000, since its November 10th all-time high when it reached above $68,000. It has lost more than 50% of its value. And during this week, the largest crypto dipped below $36,000 on Sunday, and it continued plunging all throughout the weekend. And in the past week, it ended up hitting its lowest point in over a year. Some experts are even warning that Bitcoin could drop even further. and even going below $30,000 for the first time since July 2021. Ethereum's price has also been rapidly declining over the last few days, trading near $2,000 on Friday. The coin has been down 23% over the past week amid a big retreat in Bitcoin and the stock market. And just like all cryptocurrencies, Ethereum tends to follow Bitcoin's lead. If Bitcoin falls in price, Ethereum will likely follow. But the coin has also been grappling with anticipation for its massive software upgrade. Ethereum is planning to move from proof of work to proof of stake, which has also been known as the merge. And this is a big deal for the top altcoins because this will change how transactions on Ethereum are ordered, making it more efficient and sustainable for widespread use. However, it seems that the merge won't be happening in June as previously forecasted, but it has been promised to happen sometime before the end of 2022. This delay, and along with other several macroeconomic factors, has led to having a shaky start to the year for Ethereum, which in January dropped below $2,200. And on Thursday, Ethereum fell under $3,000, which is its lowest price since July 2021. Yuga Labs' other side. In other news, and after Yuga Labs' not so successful NFT minting for its other side metaverse land scale cost investors more than $100 million in transaction fees, board members of the Bored Ape Yacht Club linked ApeCoin DAO are going over offers to migrate ApeCoin off Ethereum. The two offers that they are considering are Avalanche and Flow. Both blockchains consider themselves to be better suited for hosting a large-scale NFT ecosystem like the one Yuga is building. At the end of a Twitter thread on April 30th, Yuga Labs first alluded to a potential ApeCoin migration, saying, "We're sorry for turning off the lights on Ethereum for a while. It seems abundantly clear that ApeCoin will need to migrate on its own chain in order to properly scale. We'd like to encourage the DAO to start thinking in this direction." Previously, the board had not considered migrating to a different layer, but it seems that this tweet prompted a discussion among the DAO's members about a potential move. A discussion that remains ongoing. The DAO has so far voted on 11 different proposals since its creation in March. In the case of an Avalanche move, Yuga's ecosystem would be able to exist on its own subnet, which is a technology that allows the transactions for a single application to be isolated without clogging the broader network. Avalanche committed $290 million to attract subnets in March, though talks with the project remain preliminary. Similarly, Flow's blockchain also offers a value proposition, having proven its capability of handling high transaction volumes with NBA Top Shot, which sees tens of thousands of transactions each day. Dapper Labs, the company behind Flow, also created the blockchain out of similar necessity following its famous CryptoKitties NFT debacle that temporarily choked Ethereum just like the other side sale had done. A new crypto wallet. And to end with some rather positive and exciting news, the trading Robinhood plans to roll out a new crypto wallet focused on decentralized finance for customers who want to participate in the crypto economy by the end of 2022. Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev is teasingly talking about a Web3 crypto wallet. And its announcement follows last month's launch of a more restrictive crypto wallet, which basically only allowed users to move tokens in and out of their Robinhood brokerage account. But the users of the entirely new Web3 wallet will be able to lend, stake, yield farm, and even buy NFTs, similar to what they're able to do with a MetaMask wallet. And they do not exist in Robinhood's earlier wallet. But it isn't yet clear which blockchain the custodial wallet intends to support. Robinhood's upcoming wallet will begin testing in the summer, and it has a waitlist now open. It is slated for direct competition with Coinbase's own offer with expanded features announced Monday. Both investing giants are making it easier for their crypto trading customers to actually deploy assets into DeFi without leaving their wallet ecosystems. Doing so could end up flooding DeFi protocols with a raft of new users. However, Coinbase's Web3 wallet is integrated while Robinhood's is not. The new Robinhood wallet will specifically cater to users who seek advanced use cases of crypto. It will allow users to purchase and store NFTs, earn yield on assets, and access a host of tokens not currently available on Robinhood. To conclude, we have to say that the crypto crash taught us many lessons this week. Even the top altcoins like Terra can suffer overnight losses and struggle to survive. The idea behind decentralized algorithm stablecoins such as Terra USD looks fascinating, but it needs a better strategy. Decentralized stablecoins like Tether, which are often criticized for insufficient cash reserves, end up looking helpless in times of crisis. We have to say that this week will go down as a historical moment in crypto industry and serve as a wake-up call for crypto enthusiasts who need to understand that caution is always required and anything can happen. So what do you think of what has been going on during this week? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below on both the good and the bad, the disappointments and the expectations, and what you're feeling today on the crypto market. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on everything crypto related. We'll see you in the next video.